Today I'm working on a Verizon wireless hotspot. I don't know if it's called Mifi, Wi-Fi. I'm not really sure. But at this point you can see that we've kind of already broken it down. I mean, it's very easy right now to take off the back cover where the battery is, and we're removing, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. But that's basically the point that we're at right now. This one came in already actually with the charging port already off the board, so it's MIA, we don't know what it is. We've ordered a replacement port. That is this right here. It's kind of hard to see probably, actually. Not sure if this camera can do this. It seems to want to focus on the background still. Yeah. Anyways, just a small port, you know, get these online. So basically what we're going to do to start off, we're going to clean all these pads off, clean all the extra solder that's on there. So I'm going to take a little bit of my flux, put it over across here. Bigger soldering tip. This is our wick right here. And I'm just going to kind of put some of this stuff off here. Just don't have any extra stuff that we don't need. It'll just make for more difficult time later. Getting all the old solder out makes it much easier to put the port in correctly the first time instead of having to heat up solder and then push it through heated solder, which cools extremely fast. So we're pretty much done with that. Let's get this replaced. Get both of the front pegs are in. I would normally use a microscope to do this, but I'm going to do it with my eyes on this one. Should be good to go. Alright, so start off. I'm going to hold this in place. Let's go with solder on this. I should just put solder into each one of these little holes up front for the front post to sit in. A little bit easier to work on their own. Alright, so put a little solder on both those front two posts. Now I'm going to hit the, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 5 pins that need soldered over here. And put a little bit of flux down. So just help your solder to sit correctly. You're going to need a very fine tip to do this. I'm probably going to go ahead and get my open. This is way too tiny for me to see right now with my eyes. Just applying solder to all the pins right now. It is much easier to do under microscope. I do not recommend trying to do it with just your eyes. Okay. I'm going to reheat these two posts from the top side. Go ahead and move this back out of the way. Hitting two posts, the one front post here and the one front post here, making sure that they're connected correctly to the ground. Get this thing put in. See if it goes. I'm going to put it back together real quickly just to see if we're going to charge from. And as you can see, we are now getting a charge. Another successful repair. Have a good day. If you have any questions, just leave them, questions or comments, just leave them down on the bottom and we'll try to answer them.